In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the font settings in Microsoft Outlook. If you're someone who spends a lot of time organizing your emails, you know just how important it is to have everything displayed clearly and in a way that suits your personal style. Adjusting the font can make your Outlook experience more pleasant and easier on the eyes. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to change your font settings. To start with, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Now, navigating through Outlook can sometimes seem a bit daunting with so many options and features, but no worries. We'll walk through this together, and soon you'll have the perfect email layout for you. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find the View section. Go ahead and click on it. Outlook, like many Microsoft programs, has this intuitive layout where each section is designed to help you customize your experience. Under the View section, you'll notice an option called Change View. Click on this, and then you're going to see another option for Manage Views. This is your gateway to organizing how your emails appear on your screen. When you click on Manage Views, a new box will appear with various customization options for you to play with. Focus on the Modify option and give that a click. Once you're in, you will see another button labeled Other Settings. This is where the real magic happens. By clicking on Other Settings, you're opening a new array of possibilities to personalize the way your emails are presented. For this specific task, you'll want to click on Column Font. Now here comes the fun part. You have the chance to choose your desired font type, style, and size. Maybe you're a fan of a crisp and clean sans serif font, or perhaps you prefer the classic look of a serif. It's entirely up to you to tweak these settings until the text in your emails is perfectly tailored to your liking. Remember, the key here is making it easy for you to read through your emails without straining your eyes. Once you're satisfied with your settings, simply apply the changes and exit out. It's really that easy, and with just a few clicks, you've successfully changed the font settings in Microsoft Outlook. These small adjustments can make a big difference in how you interact with your inbox daily. You'll likely find it more enjoyable and efficient to manage your emails when everything is displayed just right. And that wraps up our guide to changing font settings in Outlook. I hope you found this tutorial insightful and that it allows you to navigate through your email correspondence with more ease and adaptability. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.